Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make 3 gorgeous candle holders. I'm going to be using items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So I've already removed the paper from the back of this mirror, and as you can see there's some residue. I'm going to leave the black felt pads on because they won't be in my way. So I'm going to be using these 3 pink door pulls. These I picked up from Amazon. So these are really gorgeous, and my lighting is not doing these justice. These have a very rich pink color. So I'm going to be using these to add feet to the mirror. I'm going to be using my double bonded adhesive tape. This is very sticky on both sides. I use this in place of hot glue. So I'm just going to cut away a little bit. I'm going to add it to the bottom of the door pulls, and then I'm going to apply it to the back of the mirror. This adhesive is very strong and there is no dry down time. So as you can see, these are not coming off. I'm shaking it for you. I would have to use water to soak them off. So right now I'm just going to add these beautiful pink gems. And these gems are really beautiful, guys. Again, my light is washing the color out. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my permanent glue, and I'm going to be applying them to the mirror. So this looks really nice. So I'm going to set this over to the side and allow it to dry for 24 hours. So before I set it to the side, I'm just going to clean it off a little bit. Any glue that kind of oozed out from under the gems, I'm just going to remove it with a little bit of alcohol and my Q-tip. And then I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. Next it's time to decorate the candle. And I'm using these gems from the Dollar Tree. This is a candle that I've had for a while. I've never used it, so I'm going to use it for this project. These are the peel and stick gems. So before I apply them, I'm going to clean off the jar. And so I'm not going to peel the gems off the paper. I'm going to apply the paper directly to the candle jar. That way, this is going to ensure that all those gems stay nice and even. I am very happy. I'm very satisfied with all 3 projects. You let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, you stay well, you stay safe, and you stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.